Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Most of the time, when salad is mentioned, we think of green or a mix of vegetables. Here's one that is slightly different but incredibly delicious. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my buffalo chicken salad. With a gorgeous homemade buffalo sauce along with homemade dressing, this salad is sure to become a family favorite. So let's get cooking. The first thing we have to do is to make sure our mise en place is done. And that includes the lettuce, because this recipe goes pretty fast. Alright, so let's start. Here's a couple of large chicken breasts that have been cubed, and we're looking to about that size. Not big, but not too small either. So, we'll pour on some grapeseed oil, enough to coat the cubes. Another alternative is using canola oil. And then we'll season generously with freshly ground black pepper. Just to let you know, most of the time I use mixed peppercorns. It has more flavor. We'll now stir to coat and yes, I'm adding more pepper. If you want to add salt, go ahead. But by the time we're done with the salad, it doesn't need any. You'll see. Next, in a large resealable plastic bag, we've combined flour with garlic powder and smoked paprika. Working in batches, we'll add the chicken cubes to the bag, close it, and shake vigorously until nicely coated. Using a slaughter spoon, we'll transfer them to a baking sheet lined with foil that has been greased with cooking spray. When they're all coated, we'll also spray the cubes with cooking spray. This will make them crispy on the outside. We'll now transfer them to a 400-degree preheated oven and bake for only 7 minutes. A few minutes later, we'll carefully remove them. Boy, it's hot. And flip the cubes one by one so both sides are crispy. We'll return them back to the oven for 4 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. If some are a little over, it's fine, but make sure none of them are under. When the cubes are done, we'll put them in a medium bowl, preferably stainless steel, and pour my buffalo wing sauce over. To get the recipe, click on the top right corner of your screen. We'll stir until all of them are well coated, and then drop them back on a baking sheet in a single layer. We'll return the coated chicken to the oven for 10 minutes without the heat on. This will help the sauce to dry out a little bit. I like doing this extra step, but it's not necessary, okay? To assemble, we'll place the lettuce first, all the other vegetables on top, followed by the chicken cubes on each side of the bowl. It looks prettier that way. Then we'll sprinkle on crumbled blue cheese and drizzle on either blue cheese dressing or ranch dressing. Your choice. And both of the recipes are on the website. And my friends, this is our buffalo chicken salad. Incredibly delicious and colorful, this recipe is loaded with flavor. It's like eating wings with a tasty added twist. If you've never tried it before, this meal should be on your list. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!